garden vibe. Uh, Not you like to hide, man. Everything beautiful over there. I just work on my hidden peace right now. Somewhere in the nature. Not you like to hide. Not you like to hide. Not you like to hide. Human can lie, but not you live a lie. Live a lie. Live a lie. When human make me so upset, I refuge in the nature and look around, watch around me. If you see something you really need, just tap in. Hey, you got a lemon tree. Lemon tree, and it is a very, very good tree in spirituality too. Traditional medicinal. That you like to hide. That you like to hide. If you come here, you feel very peaceful. You got a shadow for chill, man. Everything. You got one big man who come build over there just for profit, just for his own peace, just for his own peace. Like if you got something like this, you can ship that over there. You can make some profit too. I'm complete Ursula. You see how this big man doing? In Waka 2000. One big man over there who provide to nature, provide after nature like to hide. Nature like to hide. Nature like to hide. Yeah, he come build his beautiful house right there. All the cars, the tracks. You see, it's for him. There we got a little forest. Got a lot of people over there who growing food. We didn't grow over there too. Food growing vibe, and here you got a beautiful floor. flow, 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 flow. And the big man like to live here on heaven over there. Cause when you is here, yeah, your life so peaceful. No more people over there. Yeah, you connect yourself with the nature. Nature like to hide. Like right now you can see I'm in Mauve. I'm in Mauve, bro. Cause I don't got a bike, man. I don't got a bike right now. Food growing vibe. Same brother growing onion, tomato, cabbage. Hey, everything, bro. Everything, man. Got a mango, and I got a mango tree, a mango seeds. I got a lot of mango seeds. For those who is interested, just email me. Email me. Everything you see around me, if you need some seeds, just start me. Just email me, and I ship all over the world. And you got iron water wheel right here. Not the bullshit water wheel like GT water wheel. Fundra is something like a 50,000 American, and take and just put 20% and take